Hello beautiful people, how are you doing? I know you are good. The name of this channel is Origin of Beauty World and you can call me Origin Mama. I want to thank you especially for stopping by. Please, I want you to subscribe to this channel. I want you to be the family, be the member of this family so that we can, whatsoever video we upload, you will be the first to be notified. Don't just come and pass away. Be among us. We love each other here and we share our minds. Whatsoever you have been finding difficult, anything you don't understand in life aspects, don't fail to communicate. We'll sort it out together. So, in our today's video, I'm going to share what you will use to cleanse yourself anytime you have intercourse with a man or woman that is not your wife or your husband. Anytime you have anything with a strange woman or a man, whatever spirit, negativity the person is carrying, automatically you have been a partaker of it. That is the reason why many people are wallowing in pains, contacting negative energies. Because let me tell you, negative energy is fast to accumulate than positive energy. Whatsoever the person is carrying, before you know it, once you have something to do with that person, that thing will start manifesting in your life automatically. And you'll be asking yourself questions. How manage this? How come this? How come that? And within you, you'll be thinking that your uncle in the village or your aunt or kingsman is doing you. No. Majority of what we pass through today is as a result of what we contacted through our fellow man or women. So what is this mighty ingredients you will use to cleanse yourself, to separate yourself from what, and immediately you are done with that person, you cleanse yourself immediately. Nothing. Only all a broom cob. Let the one you carry remain with you. Let the one he or she carry remain with he or him, he or she. So what is that thing we are talking about? It's our almighty alligator pepper. This pepper is a wonderful pepper. How many seeds do you need? You need one seed. It's very small. I don't know if you can see it. Let me bring it close. Use one seed like this. From your hair, you cleanse. Make sure it's touching your body. That is why wherever you go with your alligator pepper. This one, as you see, is inside my handbag wherever I go because you can contact anything at any moment. So take one seed, cleanse yourself. You detox yourself. You cleanse yourself. You reject every negativity, every bad spirit, every curse, every limitation, every stagnation, every hatred, whatever that is not of God that you must have contacted through the means of this thing we are talking about now. You remove it off your body. Because I cannot say you should not do whatever you want to do. It's your life. But you need to take precaution. Preserve yourself. So whatever you have contacted, any negativity, any bad energy, even spell. Many people, do you know that many people cast bad spell in their body? You will not know. People, they waka. Majority of men or ladies, they carry juju for body. No go know. And once they are done with them, the bad effect of that thing will start resulting in your life immediately. So once you use this alligator pepper to cleanse yourself, you'll be free from whatever negativity or whatever you have contacted from that person. So that's one. Another way you can still use this alligator pepper is if you come, maybe people who own shop, people are wicked. If you're not prepared, others will use you and destroy you. Once you are doing well, the moment you are once you are doing well, you know you are doing well. You need to be conscious of bad people. You need to be security conscious. That's what I'm trying to say. If you just live your life like that, the others will draw you to the mud, whether you like it or not. I've seen so many places. Somebody will come to the shop, they will see poo. Others, is it demonic poo, spiritual or whatever, they will poo for your shop, poo poo. You will see it in front of your shop or in your house, anywhere you might have seen it that concerns you in your environment, where you do well, you do your business, or where you live. What will you do? Take the same alligator pepper, 7 seeds. Remember, anytime you are dealing with alligator pepper and anyone fall out from your hand to the ground, don't pick it. Take another one and continue whatever you are doing. That is the way it is. Take 7 seeds of alligator pepper, put it in your mouth, chew it, and denounce, because that poo is a setback, is bad luck. Even if you don't take time, that poo will kill you and send you to early grave. So you must be open your eyes. Don't carry last. What am I trying to say? Put 7 seeds of alligator pepper in your mouth. Speak, decree a word, because the Bible made us understand that whatsoever we decreed here on earth has been decreed in heaven, and whatever you cancelled on earth here has been cancelled in heaven. So what am I trying to say? Once you put those 7 seeds of alligator pepper in your mouth, chew it. While chewing it, decree a word, denounce whatever purpose of that thing, because that thing can never be of good. Every evil thing, every evil intention of the enemy, denounce it. Spat it on that thing. Back to sender. Then take back to sender salt. There is a salt mainly for back to sender. Use it. Put it in the water, sprinkle it. Whatever they have done, all their evil intentions, you return it back to them squarely. And as you do it, so is going to be to that person. Whatever intention, that negative intention, that bad intention the person is planning for you, automatically dive back to the person that owns it. And before you know it, you'll be free again. And the person, once the person sees you, if the person will be alive to see you self, they'll say this man is bad or this woman is bad. Yeah, let it be bad, because you are defending yourself. You don't want anything nonsense to come to your way. That is the way it should be. You know, people, once what they know you know it, they will tag you bad. They will tag you witch, bad pedal, bad woman. Don't mind them. That's the way they do. Now, another thing you can still do with this alligator pepper, which I myself witness, if you come in contact with corpse, you know, any moment you come in contact with casket or corpse, they will ask you to go and you cleanse your hands, so that whatever negativity from that corpse will not be affecting you. So how are you going to do it? Take the same 1 seed of alligator pepper, denounce everything negativity you must have contacted. You will see yourself be free from that bad thing. Now, we need to subscribe to this channel. Don't just come and watch and go. Help this channel to grow. It's a growing channel. Yeah, there are so many things we need to share in this channel, so I want you to be a partaker. Whatever we upload here, once you subscribe, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye.